A vacuum cleans the surface, but a carpet cleaner tackles the stains, odors, and dirt buried deep in your carpets and upholstery. Today, I'm ranking the 8 best carpet cleaners of 2026. From compact spot cleaners to powerful full-size machines built for tough messes and pet households. Links are in the description with updated pricing. Let's get into it. Opening at number 8, the Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner. The 64-ounce tank, significantly larger than competing portable spot cleaners, reduces the refilling and emptying frequency that interrupts cleaning sessions across larger areas or multi-room jobs. For pet households running repeated treatments on multiple spots, that capacity advantage is a practical time saver rather than a marginal convenience. The stain removal performance stood out for both fresh and set-in stains, including ammonia odors, the specific odor compounds from pet urine that standard cleaners mask rather than eliminate. The rubberized bristles on the nozzle lift pet hair while simultaneously treating stains, combining two functions that usually require separate tools. The 4-foot stretch hose positioned at the top or bottom of a staircase can likely clean an entire flight without repositioning, practical for the stair cleaning application where portable spot cleaners earn their use most frequently. Number 7 is the Bissell Crosswave. The Crosswave OmniForce's multi-surface capability addresses the reality of most modern homes where hard floors and carpet exist in the same space. A single-pass tool that handles both without swapping machines or attachments. In testing, it noticeably brightened dingy carpet panels on low-pile rugs, which represents genuine cleaning performance rather than just surface freshening. The cordless operation at up to 30 minutes of runtime combined with the slim design addresses the storage and maneuverability constraints that full-size carpet cleaners impose. The self-cleaning function, when placed back on the recharging base, handles the post-use maintenance that makes cordless cleaning tools practical for regular use. For households with predominantly hard floors and low-pile rugs who want one multi-surface cleaning tool, the Crosswave handles the full range efficiently. For deep carpet cleaning, the full-size machines above it on this list are the right tools. At number 6, the Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. The 1.75-gallon tank is the capacity specification that makes full-room cleaning in a single session feasible without constant refilling. The spinning flow indicator is the practical design detail that removes the guesswork from solution management. A visual signal exactly when it's time to refill, rather than discovering you've been running dry for the last several passes. Carpets left feeling soft without becoming overly damp is the balance that defines professional quality extraction performance. The 25-foot power cord covers an entire room without unplugging. The 9-foot hose plus the included handheld stain tool handles, stairs, and upholstery without repositioning the main unit. The fold-flat handle simplifies storage for a machine of its size. Despite its large footprint, filling, carrying, and securing the tank were rated effortless in testing. For households that want professional-level deep cleaning on their own schedule rather than renting a machine or hiring a service, the Bissell Big Green delivers professional results at a purchase-once price point. Number 5 is the Bissell Little Green. The Little Green's design advantages are the ones that daily use reveals. The 4-foot hose reaches stair treads, couch cushions, and under furniture areas that full-size machines can't access without awkward repositioning. The 48-ounce tanks cover a substantial cleaning area before requiring emptying and refilling, enough to handle most spot cleaning sessions without interruption. The hose wraps around the base and snaps into the back for tidy storage. The oval shape fits neatly on stair treads, which is the specific ergonomic design decision that makes stair cleaning noticeably easier with this machine than with cylindrical competitors. The cord stores on a rear reel. The Hydro Rinse tool clears debris from the hose between sessions, preventing the odor buildup that stored hoses develop without cleaning. For users who want the best portable carpet cleaner for regular maintenance, stairs, and upholstery work in a compact footprint that stores without consuming floor space, the Bissell Little Green remains the benchmark pick. At number 4, the Hoover SmartWash Pet Automatic Carpet Cleaner. The automatic mixing system combines cleaning solution with water in the tank without measuring, guessing, or pre-mixing. The forward push dispenses the solution, and the back pull extracts dirty water. The cleaning pattern requires no additional trigger activation, which simplifies operation for first-time users and reduces fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. The dry-only mode applies heat on the forward pass to accelerate drying without additional tools or attachments. The consumer tester comment captures the real-world extraction capability directly. After thorough vacuuming before use, the smartwash PET quickly filled with dog fur, dust, carpet fibers, and sand, confirming that it extracts embedded debris that even thorough vacuuming doesn't reach. For pet households where embedded fur is a persistent concern alongside surface debris, that extraction depth is the performance specification that matters most. The automatic convenience features make this the most user-friendly full-size carpet cleaner on the list for buyers who want results without technique. The bronze medal goes to the Bissell Spot Clean Pet Pro, and this earns its top 3 position by being the most capable, dedicated, portable spot cleaner on this list for pet households, with the professional-grade extraction performance that the Spot Clean name implies. The 5-foot flex hose is the longest hose among the portable spot cleaners on this list, reaching into stairs, upholstery, and tight areas with more range than the competing portables. The 5.7 amp power rating delivers stronger suction than most portable cleaners at this price point. The included pet stain trapper tool handles the specific geometry of pet stain penetration into carpet pile, where standard attachments skim the surface rather than extracting from the fiber base. The 22-foot power cord provides the reach to clean entire rooms from a single outlet without extension cord management. An important practical detail: for a portable machine, you're moving between spots rather than positions. For pet owners who need a reliable, dedicated portable spot cleaner that handles tough pet stains and odors with a long hose and strong suction, the Bissell Spot Clean Pet Pro is the proven pick. Number 2 is the Bissell Revolution Hydro Steam Pet. Most machines marketed as steam cleaners don't actually produce steam, they use hot water. The Revolution Hydro Steam Pet genuinely produces steam, and the difference shows up immediately in set-in stain performance. In lab testing, it effortlessly removed set-in mustard and wine stains, the type of stains that require the penetrating heat of actual steam to break down the chemical bonds holding them in carpet fibers. The quick dry mode leaves carpets touch dry in under 30 minutes, addressing the primary frustration of full-size carpet cleaners, where wet carpets remain off-limits for hours after cleaning. For households with pets or children who can't avoid cleaned areas for extended periods, that 30-minute turnaround is a genuinely practical advantage. The easy fill tank and 3 cleaning modes keep operation straightforward. The 25-foot power cord and 8-foot hose provide the room coverage and stair reach that full-size cleaning sessions require. For buyers who want genuine steam performance with fast drying, the Revolution Hydro Steam Pet is the pick. And the best carpet cleaner of 2026 is the Shark Stain Striker Hair Pro. The dual-activated formula that automatically mixes inside the handheld unit to deliver what Shark claims is 20 times more stain-fighting power than standard formula is the chemistry advantage that no other portable spot cleaner on this list replicates. No heat required, no pre-treating required. The solution activates through the mixing process and goes to work immediately on food stains, spills, and embedded dirt. Hair Pro technology addresses the specific failure mode of most spot cleaners used on pet hair, hair that wraps around brush bristles, clogs the system, or gets left behind in clumps. The design specifically handles deeply embedded hair wet or dry without clogging or tangling, picking up significantly more pet hair than standard portable cleaners. For pet households where hair infiltrates every cleaning challenge, that performance difference is immediately noticeable. This is the spot cleaner that topped the tests, earned the best scores across stain types, and adds the Hair Pro capability that sets it apart from every competing portable on the market. Shark Stain Striker Hair Pro, number 1. That's the 8 best carpet cleaners of 2026, ranked. Links are in the description with updated pricing. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest appliance reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.